Hello everyone, welcome back to O1 Code channel. My name is Omar. In this video, I am going to continue creating property for our digital clock with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's do this. Okay. At first, if hour is bigger than 12, we need to have hour and hour minus 12. Save it to the hour and then save the file. Go to our Chrome and yeah, this is changed. The next thing that I'm going to add is adding season to our file like this. In here AM and adding season in here. Like this. Whenever the hour is over 12 o'clock, it will be PM. And I'm going to add the AM and PM sessions to the index.html through the adding another span by ID of session. And adding getting session from HTML by ID of session and change inner text to session like this. As you see, the right margin is smaller than the left margin. I am going to change the style of this clock container to make it correct. Okay, now it's in the center. The next thing that I'm going to change in this file in our index.html is adding an ID of day to this h1. Control S, going to script, adding an array of days in here. We need to have an array of them like this. I'm going to turn on the caps lock, writing the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, not this. Where is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, like this. For getting the days of the week, we need to have a let of day equal date dot get day, like this. If we log the day, we will see, right click, inspect, refresh, we just see the number. For solving this problem, we need to use a trick like this. Document dot get element by id of day, change the inner text to days, and add the index of day in here, days and day. Okay, Control S. As you see, we have the Saturday in here. Okay, we need to change some style. In here, H1, we select the H1, take a background color of white, Control S, it's white. We need to have a lighter white or a shiny white or something like that, and adding padding of 20 pixel for all corners, and a border radius of 20 pixels, and a border of 1 pixel solid white for the border. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and good luck. Hey everyone, I have a challenge for you. In this challenge, you are going to add the date of your computer in this clock.